There are a lot of places, I told you, a lot of images are applied. For example, you have natural landscape images. There are synthetically generated scenes, right? I mean, you synthetically generated any data. So graphic, computer screenshot, black and white illustrations. Barcode is an image. For example, you read any article or an object through a barcode. Fingerprints. So fingerprints, or you can convert them as binary images. And I will tell you what is a binary image a little later. X-ray is an image. All so much of what is called biomedical images that we see today are all kind of images that that are very well used by doctors for understanding the understanding the presence or absence of the disease. So I mean, doctors see the images and then decide. Today we can build what is called automatic systems to read any images, automatic systems to read, not only diagnose diseases, right? Big way, right? For example, you see this is probably the tooth of an image, whether it is the tooth is decayed or not decayed, or where is the root of the tooth, and things like that, very easily seen by images. Then you have today we can make use of satellite images for number of purposes, including border security, border surveillance. For example, recently we had this Chinese intrusion into our territory. We had lots of things to solve. In fact, some of my students wanted to take the picture of this region that the place called Galwa Valley or something like that. So this particular region, people want. My students tried to take kind of satellite image and see how people are moving. There is something called change reduction. Okay, if there's any change over the years, for example, you have a time series of images, right? Images taken every month. Now, if there is any build-up of army here by the Chinese side or the Indian side, now when and what time this has happened? So what was the previous history? Things like that will be known in terms of what is called as the time series kind of an images, time series information, time series data. Now, these time series data help you how things have changed over a period of time. So, of course, you also have radar images. You look at distant astronomical objects, right? So, very interesting. Today, no field is left out. Whether you see, this is related to very distant objects. These are related to, for example, medical imaging. This is related to, for example, security. Okay, and then of course all natural and synthetic images for all purposes, right? So imaging is a very nice art today, and image processing has come into many fields. So we need to understand how image is acquired over the period of time. Now, this is what is called as a digital image. So how image